Greetings and salutations. I'm Carla Moore and welcome to episode 2 of Is a Yaad Ting. The episode that was supposed to air last week didn't air. Sometimes people just miss out episodes of them things. You wouldn't understand if you come from foreign. Is a yaad ting. So this is where we discuss 5 things that you probably know or do if you come from Jamaica and possibly the Caribbean. Ready? Let's go. If you come from yaad, then you know say when your shoes mash up and beg bread, that is not a sign that the shoes is ready to fling away. That is a sign that you must get the patex and the ponal and the nail glue and repair the shoes, because everybody that come from yaad is an undercover cobbler. I don't know how them bring it up in with so. You know, you get a little feeling of guilt, like when the shoes start mash up, like you remember when you did young and your shoes mash up when you're in a prep school and your mother tell you say because you take the shoes a kick ball, and even when you're 30 now and you're not kicking ball with the shoes, you still feel bad as if you walk hard on the shoes, or you have razor between your toe, why it is that the shoes cannot live up to all of the expectations it was supposed to have. I'm not talking about payless shoes where you pay like $12 for, you are going to put them back together and get 3 more wear out of them before you fling them away. I don't know why it worked like that. Is a yaad thing. This is how yaad people treat shoes that supposedly want to go into the garbage.
Hot gal, sweet like a honey. X to the 5 minute drive in a sunny. Vicky have a secret, Gianni funny. Man come and offer me no beg them no money. Till it, any which way me turn it. 10 pound ton chatterbox in a dummy.
Laugh off for them y'all, all them they cute like you. Yeah. Laugh off for them y'all, them not no pretty moon like you. Yeah.
Big ups to Patex, keeping my foot in business since 1982. If you come from yaad, you know say, if you out for take exam and the poetry them start bloom and you not start study it, dog you mess up and it nobody make sense to try study again. If you're in a 5th form, prepare to be in upper 5th. If you're in 6th form, prepare to be in upper 6th. And if you're at UE, prepare to become a super senior. Big up all of the man them upper UE who did it so long, them have landline installed in them room upper chancellor because them know say them have to get the room back. Yeah, if me didn't know about this scam, me wouldn't bother graduate. Me would have just the one course till infinity, till like me married and move out in the $4.5 million house where NHT is willing to give me the money to purchase. This is the best thing ever. Let me tell you something. Poetry, no study, prepare to make a new set of friends of the same age as the friends that you had last year, because you is about to be repeating like whoa. Me don't know why is a yaad thing. The poetry supposed to be a thing of beauty. It strike fear into the hearts of Jamaican. Me see the little Jamaican pitney them like the G-Sat and them something that them see the poet and just start chimble. For no reason. Fly. Oh, fly.
Carla!
Yes, mommy.
You studying?
Yes, mommy. Poetry now blue. Alright. Yeah. Move up dead. Yeah. Just like dead. Yeah, dead. Yes, mommy.
You studying?
Yes, mommy. Poetry start bloom. If you come from yaad, you know say that thing about fight fire with fire apply to every single part of your life. And that means that the only way to fight poison is with poison. Now, first thing, before me even go into this, what is it with foreign people and food poisoning? You know, some me never know one Jamaican will get food poisoning yet. You get bad stomach, you get bad feeling, sometimes you get body come down, but we do not get food poisoning. Look here, if you eat piece of stale cheese and start to feel sick afterwards, you are not poisoned. The cheese just don't agree with you. When you stop calling down this poison and everything, not everything is food poisoning. I ate some bad Chinese and I have food poisoning. You have running belly. Why you don't be honest with people? What you have is explosive diarrhea. It's not food poisoning. However, in Jamaica, if you actually get food poisoning, it's poison I'm going to give you. This is how foreign people deal with bad stomach. This is how Jamaican people deal with bad stomach. You know what that is? That is BC. BC is actual poison. If you consume too much of it, it will kill you. When it is that you feel sick, them grate it and boil it in tea and give it to you. There is nobody who know the actual dosage of BC that you are supposed to consume. Them just gauge it and give you and hope say you don't dead. It's a yaad thing. This is how foreign people deal with cut that might become infected. This is how yaad people deal with cut that might become infected. Do you see the big sign on that thing that's a poison? Poison. They put poison on you in order for your foot to not become infected. There is no other place in the world where them just walk up and down a splash poison on people except for Jamaica. I don't understand it. It's a yaad thing. If you come from yard and you come from an area where broke and no money, you know that you don't have to wait on the head of the electoral commission or whoever is investigating them to tell you who get most campaign contribution, because it's a simple matter of who could give you $3,000 to vote versus who could give you $5,000 to vote. If you're a smart person, then you take one smart money and use it pay bus fare to go vote for the other person. No. This whole thing about democracy and one man, one vote, and you sit down and listen to debate and manifesto and have all type of conversation in a newspaper and on Twitter and those things, those is for uptown people and people from the middle town who can afford to live like that. When you come from the ghetto or garrison, your vote is decided for you before it is that you actually even reach a polling station. And if you go to the polling station and vote in a manner that you're not supposed to, your house burned down before you could have even leave because the news spread ahead of you. Now, I am not saying that the entire Jamaican electoral system is chickeny or bandula or original. I am just saying that in some cases, the things work differently in different areas. You also know, if you come from yard, that when election time come, go lie down on the bush and chimble, because the whole of them is about to get slaughtered. You know that white rum cannot be found in the stores, and you also know that there's going to be a fete in every community. Some people call it lubricating the electoral process. Some people call it straight purchasing of votes. Either way is a yard thing. If you come from yard, you know, say, every single trauma that you will ever experience in your life can be solved with two simple ingredients: sugar and water. More importantly, strong sugar and water. If you mix the sugar and water strong like syrup, the people will recover from anything. Them drop, them scrape up them knee, them drop off a bicycle and back and them something there, strong sugar and water.
Mommy, we drop off a bicycle.
Marianne, that's so strong sugar and water. Bring come, Carla, drop off on the bicycle.
Them run up in a something and a grow coco on them head, strong sugar and water. Them drop off a tractor because them might try jump on pan if it the sugar cane and like the tractor roll over them, strong sugar and water.
Oh, Marianne, look up in a something of coco.
Hold on, I'm coming with the sugar and water there.
Thanks.
This thing that foreign people doing where them run into with children to hospital because the child needs sedative and them need all type of thing to calm them down. No, you give them the strong sugar and water. Drinking the water will distract them from crying, and the sugar is going to straighten up everything and wash over their cells and replenish it. I know that when you're trying to eat healthy, but you need to keep some strong sugar and water in the back for when the children have any type of thing that go wrong with them. I don't know why. It's a yard thing. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, episode 2 of It's a Yard Thing. The top 5 things this week that you know or do if you come from Jamaica, Zamaco, any type of thing that you call it. Tune in next week Wednesday when we will be going live with another episode. Big up yourself, big up where you come from, and big up all of the people them where bust them brain because they should have been studying for exams long time ago.
Hot gal, sweet like a honey. X to the 5, me not drive in a sunny. Vicky have a secret, Gianni funny. Man come a offer, me no beg them no money. Till live, any which way me turn it. 10 pound ton chatterbox in a done.